So welcome to Naija Farm TV, where we show you the practicals of farming practices, show you how to farm and give you the best farming tips on how to maximize your land space, maximize the profit you get from your farm produce, and maximize the yield of your produce. So if you are a farmer, you're interested in farming, or you started your farming already, you are at the right. If you are wondering why should I go into farming, we have very simple answer for you. You should go into farming because there are over 6 billion people of the world to feed, and there is money to make from. Subscribe to our channel, hit the bell so that you can be among the first to always get the notification of our new videos as we update you on progresses of our farmers. We learn together and as we practice together, as we feed the world together. So thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching.
Cow dung. So I bought them, not too expensive, just a little money. This is cow shit. So I will apply them to the corn now. So this is our corn farm. I'll apply them to it. You can see them. They're looking wonderful, but I leave anything to chance. Add manure, add fertilizer, the NPK. You can add that one. You can just add any manure that is available to you. So thank you so much. So this is our cow dung. This is what we will be applying now. You can see I will be applying it now so that you can see this is little. So you pack it and leave it there to.
So once rain fall, it will circulate. So it will be doing very well. So you can see. So we'll continue to apply it. To the whole of the farm, so that it's doing well already, so that the yield will increase. Keep on saying, don't leave anything to chance in the farm. Anything to chance at all. Don't leave anything to chance. It's looking wonderful. Right here. So this is how you also apply the NPK. You can put it on top, just close to the root of the corn. So it's looking wonderful. It's looking wonderful. So once the rain fall now and then you come and check this, you won't recognize them again. They will all be very green, meaning that your farm, your journey to bumper harvest is on the right track. So spray your farm, add fertilizer, then everything will look good. In the cow dung, so you can see. Let me show you. You can see them. They're looking good. They're looking good. So we've sprayed the farm. We've applied the cow dung. So you can see they're looking wonderful. We've applied the cow dung. So there will be enough nutrient, enough manure for the things to grow very well now. So it's looking wonderful. So we've invested enough time, energy, and done the needful. So we look forward to a bumper harvest. I'll keep on updating you so that you see everything. So you see everything. So you can see everything. So they're looking wonderful. They're looking wonderful. So thank you so much for watching, for subscribing, for learning. So this is the update I promised to give you. This is about 2 weeks after adding manure to the farm, so you can see how beautiful they do. I told you by the time you see it again, they will be looking very green. So you can see now they're looking beautiful, very green and wonderful. You can see the manure we added, so they're looking well. They're looking green now. They're growing up very well, so they're looking very beautiful. So you can see. So the aim of adding manure has been achieved. So we just a matter of time before we start harvesting. So you can see the farm is looking well and beautiful now. So they're looking good. looking tall, green and beautiful. You can see how wonderful they're becoming. They're becoming wonderful. They're becoming wonderful. So you can see how wonderful they become. So they're looking green, well nourished. So thank you so much.